Rithmomachia, the battle of numbers. Welcome. In this tutorial we learn how the pyramid pieces move and capture, with examples from the study below. The white pyramid has a total value of 91, composed of 6 sub-pieces. Squares of values 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36, respectively. It moves and captures like a square piece of value 91, but it can do much more. The pyramid piece moves in unison with all its subpieces. However, the good news is each subpiece can capture independently of each other. The bad news is that they can also themselves be captured independently of each other. Not only that, but if a subpiece of the pyramid captured, then the pyramid's total value must be adjusted accordingly. For example, if P91's subpiece of value 16 is captured, P91 becomes P75, since 91 minus 16 equals 75. The black pyramid has a total value of 190. Composed of 5 sub-pieces, namely, squares of values 16, 25, 36, 49, and 64, respectively. Likewise, for P190, it moves and captures like a square piece of value 190, while each sub-piece can capture independently as a square piece of value 16, 25, 36, 49, or 64. Here too, the sub-pieces can be captured, and, once captured, the pyramid's value must be adjusted accordingly. For example, if P190's subpiece of value 49 is captured, P190 becomes P141. Since 190 minus 49 equals 141. That these subpieces are so numerous, each one having 5 or 6 of them, makes the pyramid the most powerful piece in its color. Since each pyramid moves 3 spaces orthogonally, the opposing pyramids can't face off one move away from each other. This is fortunate because if they could capture by number would allow one of them to capture 3 of the 5 sub-pieces, namely, the squares whose values 16, 25, 36 they have in common. The black pyramid is involved with a few captures. Let's look at them. If it's black's move, then S25 as a subpiece of P190 can capture by number S25, since it is one move away. We'll put that back, as we'll need it for later. If it's white's move, then S25 can capture by number S25 as a subpiece of P190, since it too is one move away. This changes P190 to P165. The white pyramid has its share of captures, as well. Let's look at them. Look what happens if white moves C8, then there are a lot of potential captures to search through. Each turn is A capture, optional, B a piece move, C a capture, optional. In this position, if it's still white's move, then there are several captures. White's S36 as a subpiece of P91 can capture by divisor. D equals 4, the circle C9, since it is 4 spaces away. Now that black's circle is gone, a new black piece is revealed to be in a line with P91. In fact, White's S25 as a subpiece of P91 can capture by divisor. D equals 5. The circle C5, since it is 5 spaces away. And 25 over 5 equals 5. Déjà vu. With black's circle C5 gone, another new black piece is revealed to be in a line with P91. In fact, P91 can capture by divisor. D equals 13. The circle C7, since it is 13 spaces away. And 91 over 13 equals 7. That is 3 piece captures in one turn. Let's return all those pieces and look at a different white move. With C8 out of the way, do you see the captures black could make if it was black's turn? Pause the video if you need to. What if white, instead of the circle C8, moves the triangle T49? White's S16 as a subpiece of P91 can capture by multiple. D equals 1. The triangle T16, since it is 1 space away. Let's put that back and ask, what captures there if it's black's turn? Black's triangle T16 can capture by multiple. D equals 1. S16 is a subpiece of P91, since it is 1 space away. This transforms P91 to P75. That was his first, pre-move, capture. Black now moved triangle T16 out of the way, to reveal C25. For the post-move capture, black's circle C25 can capture by multiple. D equals 3. P75, since it is 1 space away. That is 2 piece captures in one turn, including the pyramid. While this study position will likely never arise in a real game, it shows the variety of piece captures the pyramid can be involved with. Thank you for watching this video on the pyramid piece in rithmomachia.